Okay.
Hey everyone, Brad Scott here, and I'm just going to show you how to set up the kite that you're bidding on. You've got the bag here, your pump, and your bar. So inside this zipper right here, you've got the hose for the pump, and then just take your pump out of the bag. And then you just put this little piece, slide it in there. And there's inflate and deflate. There's that. And then inside the bag is the kite. Usually you'll be on the beach doing this, but I'm at my house, so just gotta do it on the grass. So you just pull this out here. Basically, just gonna lay it on its back and fold it out. Okay. And you always want this leading edge to be pointing into the wind. So the wind's going this way. You want this strut here to be in line with the wind, so it's not blowing all over the place. So you fold it out like this, and then each of your struts, as you can see, has a little valve on it. So you want to put that in there, do the Velcro, and then there's a little strap that you put over it. So you go down the struts, doing that. Make sure they're all tight and good. Here's your main strut, the middle one. Do all the different struts. Make sure the Velcro's on, make sure that strap's on. And then you get your main leading edge here, and you'll see that there's a inflate and a deflate valve. So you want to make sure the deflate valve is plugged up. Okay. Make sure it's all the way in. Put the Velcro strap over that. I always leave this inflate valve closed when I'm done with it. But you get your pump. You've got this little attachment here to stop it from blowing away. You really don't need to use it. Well, I don't need to use it right now because it's not windy. But all you do is put it in this little rope here, stop your kite from blowing away. And then you'll stick it in the inflate and just start pumping. And this automatically inflates all the different struts, so you don't have to worry about doing each one individually. Okay, you can stop filming.